Did you just plan your ever so fancy vacation in Playacar? Or maybe you're staying in the heart of Playa? Maybe you just planned a relaxing Playacar/Playa del Carmen vacation and you just want to chill. Either way, you are left wondering, what are you going to eat? And maybe because you've heard all of the stereotypical things about food in Mexico and how you might get Montezuma's revenge, what restaurant should I go to? Not only from water, but their food. Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, Dave and I will show you some of the most delectable, tastiest, and freshest Mexican cuisine that you can get located in the heart of Playa. And that one place you shouldn't pass up is Carboncitos. Located in the heart of Playa and directly underneath Cielo Boutique Hotel. Carboncitos boasts some of the tastiest and freshest Mexican cuisine that will leave your taste buds satisfied and asking for more. And with Carboncitos' location being in the heart of Playa, you can't go wrong. And like I said, not only does Carboncitos boast some of the freshest Mexican cuisine in all of Playa, they've been doing it for over 20 years. So make sure you grab a snack and a drink and kick back and get ready for an ever so informative video. Dave and Rose Travels. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Subscribe. It's free. Here's a scenario. You are in Playa del Carmen and you were left hungry, and not because you didn't get enough food, but it was due to the food being unpalatable. And now you're worried if maybe you'll end up with food poisoning in a foreign country. A foreign country like Mexico. And now that you have food poisoning, you're left wondering, how am I going to see a doctor? Well, we're getting ready to show you a restaurant that won't let you down. A restaurant so tasty. Hold on a moment. If you haven't seen our last video, the video where we show you where you might want to shop for your groceries while you are either staying in Playa del Carmen or Playacar, or maybe you're moving to Playa del Carmen. Either way, you will need to shop, not only for groceries, but other items as well. And that grocery store is going to be Chedraui. So make sure you're ready, because in this video, we show you Chedraui, just one of Playa del Carmen's many grocery stores. At Chedraui, you will find everything. Maybe you have been afraid to shop in a Mexican grocery store. Maybe the food is spoiled. Maybe you will get food poisoning. Maybe the store is dangerous. Maybe you're wondering how you'll get there, or how you'll get your groceries back to your Airbnb or your apartment. Maybe you're wondering if there's delivery services like there are in the United States. If you might be wondering any of these questions, well then, you should definitely click on this link and watch this ever so informative video. It might be the most important video you see before shopping for groceries while you're in Playa del Carmen. So make sure you click on the link up above to see the ever so informative Playa del Carmen Chedraui video. Carboncitos, located in the heart of downtown Playa del Carmen, and is a part of and directly below Hotel Cielo, a boutique hotel. Address and location being Calle 4, NTE, S/N Centro, Playa del Carmen, and is in the intersection of 5th Avenue and 4th Street. Look for the Hard Rock Cafe and 7-Eleven, and you will see them right next to Haagen-Dazs. They do have a WhatsApp number. WhatsApp is king in Mexico. Plus 52-984-873-1382. Carboncitos is open Tuesday through Sunday, 7:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. and are closed Mondays. Dinner reservations aren't required, but are recommended. Carboncitos is usually open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I read is currently closed for breakfast until further notice, and is currently only accepting cash. Most places do accept cards, but you have to remember cash is king in Mexico. Carboncitos has the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Award and was in the TripAdvisor's Hall of Fame from 2011 to 2023 and has a 4.5 Google review rating. Carboncitos is one of the oldest and most celebrated restaurants in all of Playa and have been open for over 20 years. While doing my research for Carboncitos, I found out that they were also a part of a boutique hotel called Hotel Cielo. Carboncito will also host your private event. Let's talk about this delectable restaurant, boasting some of the most authentic Mexican food in all of Playa. Carboncitos has reasonable prices in a casual setting. Carboncitos is where traditional Mexican and Mayan recipes have been handed down for many generations, serving Mayan recipes like cochinita pibil, relleno negro, and tiquichi. Due to Carboncitos' proximity to Playa del Carmen's beach and Playacar, you are just a stroll away from Carboncitos, which is also known for having the best burger in all of Playa. That is right, everyone, the best hamburger in all of Playa. But you might not be there for a burger, so come on down for some of their tacos pastor, or a salad, or some fancy flambe. Carboncitos will leave you wanting more. Will we go back to Carboncitos? Yes, we will. This was not our first time there, and nor will it be our last. So remember, when staying in Playa del Carmen or Playacar, Carboncitos is where it's at. Great food, wonderful people, great atmosphere. What else can you ask for?
15 minutes later.
Dave and I want to make sure you're subscribed because on our next video, I'm sure we have got a video for you. When you plan your vacation in Mexico, you think about safety. You think about, well, what if I need to go somewhere at night? What if I can't get a cab? Is it safe to walk in Mexico at night? Is it safe to walk in Playa del Carmen at night? Goodness! Oh!
I found them on the wild. Dog was chasing them.
He's all, I found this. A dog was chasing that and trying to eat it. So I found it and I picked it up, and I can't leave it at home because it cries for its mama. And I'm sure if you watch the news or read the news in the United States, you constantly see articles about how dangerous it is to walk in Mexico. The multitudes of people who have gone missing or maybe have even been murdered. And we happen to be staying in Playacar. How safe is it going to be if we walk from the restaurant that we just ate dinner at all the way into Playacar at night? It's about 11 p.m. Is it safe? Is walking back to our Airbnb in Playacar going to put us at risk? You know what they say, walk around Mexico during the day, but at night, you're taking chances. And watching this next video that we put out might just save your life, or maybe even the life of a loved one. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. It's a must-see because this upcoming video, yeah, but it's one of those areas where everybody's like, don't go to that area. That's dangerous. Stay over on the hotel zone where it's safe. Dave and Rose Travels, make sure you're subscribed. It's free. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our upcoming video comes out. You know, the video about is it safe to walk around Mexico at night. We also have a Tren Maya video coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed.